Hey everyone, welcome back to Driven to Repair. If your car's AIC suddenly stops working, it could be something as simple as a bad AC pressure switch. This small but important sensor monitors refrigerant pressure and tells a compressor when to turn on or off. If it fails, your cooling system won't work properly. In this video, we're going over 4 symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch that you should never ignore. Watch until the end so you don't waste money replacing the wrong parts. The first and most obvious symptom is when your AIC blows warm air instead of cold. When the pressure switch fails, it might not signal compressor to turn on. No compressor means no refrigerant circulation and no cold air. Now, keep in mind, other issues like low refrigerant or a bad compressor can also cause this, but if your refrigerant is full and the compressor never engages, the pressure switch could be the problem. The second symptom is that the AIC compressor doesn't engage at all. The pressure switch is a safety device. If it reads low pressure or sends a wrong signal, it shuts the compressor down to protect the system. If you turn on your AIC and you don't hear the clutch click or see the compressor spinning, grab a multimeter and check that pressure switch. It might be stuck open or closed. Symptom number 3. Intermittent cooling or random cycling. If your AIC works for a few minutes, then shuts off, then turns back on again, that's a sign the pressure switch is giving inconsistent readings. This can also cause your compressor to wear out faster because it keeps turning on and off unnecessarily. If you notice the cycling pattern, don't ignore it. It's often the early warning sign before the switch fails completely. And finally, the fourth symptom, AC system warning lights or trouble codes. If you scan your car and see codes related to A to C pressure, refrigerant pressure sensor, or compressor control, that usually points to the pressure switch. Common codes include things like P0530, P0532, or P0533, which indicate AC pressure issues. These codes almost always mean the sensor or wiring has failed. So there you have it. For major symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch. If your AIC isn't working right, check for these signs before replacing expensive parts like the compressor. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and let me know in the comments if you've had AC problems before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.